Ready once again. Racing just is started. We have market value break, weekly restart, redemption moving up now on the outside. Win lane arithmetic. Oh, Wacky comes next. Money Queen while love. His story is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Win Lane by a length and a half. Oh, Wacky in second. Money Queen is racing in third. Redemption comes next. Down on the inside is market value. Then next on lane arithmetic. Moving up now on the outside is Love Story. And as they swing down the back, we have Win Lane by about 2 lengths. Oh, Wacky moving up now on the outside. And in third comes Money Queen. Redemption, market value, Love Story. While arithmetic is still running at the tail of the field. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Oh, Wacky now takes command by a length and a half. Win Lane drops back in second. Then here comes Money Queen, market value to take fourth. Then comes Redemption, Love Story, and a long way back to arithmetic, who's still racing in last. And they are now entering the home stretch. Oh, Wacky by a length and a half. Money Queen down on the inside. Win Lane, market value now joining them last 100 meters. We have Money Queen now takes command. Oh, Wacky drops back in second. Market value, and finally Money Queen. Oh, Wacky, market value, Win Lane, Love Story, Redemption, and arithmetic.
Kanina parang lumampas sa benta si
Money Queen, no?
Money
Yung
Queen.
pinasa natin sa race caller, 2,000.
Yep.
190, 180.